Hey Caesar, my name is Joyce and I work with Valerie and Seth at Grizzly Media Solutions. I know you talked to Valerie the other day and she said I could send you a video showing you some steps you can take to rank above your competition and get some more business in the door. So I don't want to waste your time. I want to give you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers. Most business owners I talk to are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them, and I understand there's some hesitation about hiring a marketing company or an SEO company. It's hard to know who's an expert and who's not. So by the end of this video, if you like what you've seen and heard, you can respond to the email or give us a call, talk to Seth. But if you get to the end of the video and you just want to implement this free attack plan that I'm giving you yourself, that's fine too. Then I've done my job and I've helped you, because I do like to help people with their businesses. So let me show you 3 things that will set your company above the competition. I'd like to see Sunstate improve the content on the page. It's big and bold, which is nice. I don't see a click to call phone number. That's going to help you. But also Google likes to see about 1,500 words of content. You probably have, I'm going to say 150 maybe total words. It might be a little more than that. So let's look at one of your competitors here who's ranking well organically on Google. They have roughly about 300, maybe 300 to 400 words of content, depending on what's behind all of these images they have on here. So that's definitely beatable, because if you can get up to 1,000, 1,500 words right there, you're above them. Now, part of content is keywords, what people are searching for. So people are looking for Phoenix air conditioning primarily, and they're paying ads at a rate of about $18.75 cost per click on Google. And I know you had a paid ad. I don't know if that's the rate you're paying, but that seems to be the going rate. And by the way, for Phoenix air conditioning, those words together, there were 720 searches in the last month. So those are searches you're missing out on by not using those keywords on your website. Let's take a look with a free tool that you can use. If you use Google Chrome, it's an extension you can download and install. And like I said, it's totally free. Anybody can use it. I love this tool because it shows you a lot of information about your page. You can look up your competitors' information. So when it comes to keywords, we'd like to see Phoenix air conditioning coming up on your website. And I don't see that coming up on the website. So that's something that you can definitely improve on. And your competition, I don't believe they used Phoenix air conditioning either, to be honest with you. Let me take a quick look here. They have Phoenix AC heating 12 times on the website. That's a lesser searched term than Phoenix air conditioning, and that's Phonics air conditioning. So we definitely want to use search terms, keywords that people are searching for, and include that in your content. So that's the first step. The second step is going to be what's called citations. So as we look at the Google search results, you see this map and the businesses listed underneath. This is called the map pack, or the maps. So these businesses use citations in addition to content and some other factors to get into this map pack area. This is really valuable real estate online. You want to be here because more than 1/3 of clicks on this entire page of search results happen right here. This company gets most of those. These get less and less as you go down the page until you're getting, 5% of people clicking down here at the bottom, which is unfortunate for these guys paying for this paid ad being down here at the bottom like this. So I know they're on page 1, but being at the bottom means they're probably only getting clicked on maybe 5% of the time, and less than 10% of people, it's somewhere around 6 or 7%, ever click on next to go to the second page. Most people, 95% usually, stay on this first page and start checking out businesses, and most of those go to these 3 search results in the maps. So to get here, citations are key. A citation is when your name, address, and phone number for your business is listed in directories online. And, those could be Yellow Pages, Yelp, Yext, CityStar, even Facebook allows you to add a citation. So this is a citation tool I use. This is a paid tool, but you can pay as little as $20 a month to utilize this. I pay about $100 for it because I do a lot of searches, but I have punched in your company and the competition here, and it actually looks like you have more citations than they do. They may have more powerful citations. The cool thing is you can look at their citations. Click on View Sources, and you can see where they're listed. And you can submit to these as well. It's a copycat method of, trying to boost your site's SEO effectiveness. So sometimes you'll see the Submit Your Business right there next to it, and you can click on that and submit your business. But oftentimes you have to go into these individually, and it is time consuming, and it's something we do. Go in here and get your name, address, and phone number listed with them so that you can start ranking on Google in that map pack area, which is, again, very valuable real estate. I wanted to go back to this free tool, SEO Quake, and I wanted to look at the traffic on your site. So in the last 30 days, 36 visitors have been to your website compared to your competition. Well, they're only getting 27, which is interesting that they're getting less visitors, but they're higher ranked. But they're not in the map pack. So this business, Phoenix AC Experts, just to show you what I mean, they are right here. Technically number one for Phoenix in the organics, but they haven't made it into the map pack. Unfortunately, a third of this real estate is owned by a company in Florida because their name is Phoenix Air Conditioning. So they're kind of, gumming up the works, so to speak. They are getting in the way, and they're here too. So it's because of their name, even though they're not in the area. So, it's very doable to get you up here with the right content, amount of content, and keywords and citations. Now, there is one other thing that's going to help you rank on Google, and it is something you can do yourself. Again, I know it's time consuming, but it's backlinks. A backlink from another website linking to your website, that's what we call it, a backlink, is link juice. Google sees it as making you the authority in your industry, in your city. So you need a lot of backlinks. We'll go back to SEO Quake, the free tool. You have 10 backlinks on your site. Your competition has 137. So this is where a lot of their power is coming from on Google. So very doable. I would like to see this get up there around 200 to 300 backlinks for you. The same with citations. You want to get, over 100 citations. In a city like Phoenix, I would say 200 to 300 for sure. Backlinks can get into the thousands. I've seen some other competition in Phoenix that have, 2,000 backlinks. And you've got to be careful not to pay services that put bogus backlinks in there. A lot of times those are spammy, and when Google catches you, they will demote your site and you'll disappear from the search results. So be careful about buying cheap backlinks. You don't want to do that. You want valid, powerful backlinks from related websites, industry-related websites that will point to your site. So those are the three things that I wanted to give you today to help you out. They are content with keywords, citations, getting the name, address, and phone of your business out there in directories, and link juice, backlinks from relevant websites. So if you do that today, you can be number one on Google in a matter of months. Now, Phoenix is a tough market, and if you want to do this on your own and use the information I've provided, I'm totally fine with that. I would love to see you succeed. If you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself some time, you can give us a call or just respond to this email and chat with Seth. Seth can go over some options with you and, take a look at some numbers and try to help you out. So give us a call, and that's Seth's direct number right there on the screen, or just respond to the email. And I hope you have found this information helpful. A lot of people never get this kind of information, so I hope that you found it interesting and helpful, and that maybe we can move forward together. And if not, that's fine too. Thanks for your time, Caesar. I appreciate it. Have a good day.